How to remove InShot Watermark for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove InShot video watermark, or how you can remove watermark on InShot for free. Now the process itself is simple and easy. You want to open up InShot and then you want to edit a video quick and easy. Now I'll just cross this and I'll just tap on video, and you can see I have a draft here. I'll just select it. Now once you select it here, once you edit a video, once here you can see the watermark. If you tap on the watermark there, you'll get option to remove. You can see you can remove it with InShot Pro, or you can remove it with ads free remove. You want to simply tap on ads option here and you'll be able to view ad and remove the watermark for that certain period of time. So this way you can remove InShot watermark for free. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues related to InShot and any other applications as well.